Hey everyone! Today is gonna be a very easy and quick recipe, and it's something that I often do with broccoli. I really like broccoli because it's crispy and flavorful, and we will be using simple ingredients for this, and we will emphasize the flavor of the broccoli. I think a lot of people don't like broccoli when it's too much boiled, so we will try today to just make it a little bit crispy so it retains the texture and the flavor and the color also. So here, as you can see, I'm splitting the florets of the broccoli. I'm not cutting through all the way. I'm just opening them with a knife and then splitting them with the hands. And the sizes are bite-size pieces so that it's easy to eat. I'm gonna use also the stalk of the broccoli. It has a lot of flavor and texture, but you have to remove the hard part. There's a woody part of this stem, and you just peel it as if it was a carrot. And then I sliced it very thinly so that it cooks as quick as the florets, as you can see here. Okay, and then we set aside. We prepared the slurry with 15 grams of starch and 200 milliliters of water, but at first I just add a little bit of water to dissolve the starch. And I'm using soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. If you have chicken stock or vegetable stock instead of water, it will give more flavor, but since I didn't have such things, I just added some soy sauce for the flavor. I'm adding the rest of the water and a little bit of salt, half a teaspoon, and this is done. And we prepared also 6 cloves of minced garlic, and this garlic we will now fry in some oil, 2 tablespoons of oil, until fragrant. Don't burn it. You don't have to have a golden hue, just mix a little bit until the flavor of the garlic is passing through. Then add the broccoli and mix so that the ingredients are evenly combined. And then 100 milliliters of water and cover so that it steams and cooks at the same time until the broccoli is slightly cooked but still crispy and still green, as you can see. Mix again the slurry so that the starch from the bottom can be again incorporated in the water, and pour it over the broccoli. You can use less of this slurry if you don't like so much sauce. It's a matter of preference. And then I mixed for 1-2 minutes until the starch started to cook and thicken the sauce. And that is it. It is done, and you can serve it just as it is, or you can serve it as a garnish for other dishes. I hope you try it out. Even if you are skeptic about broccoli, maybe this will change your mind. It really has a special texture and flavor. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.